Hi, my name is Ted Ciuba, your host for another episode of 101 Success Secrets from the new Think and Grow Rich. Here to make sure you turn your life around, stay on focus, achieve your dreams. One of the things when I talk about the modernization and empowerment of the original Think and Grow Rich into the new Think and Grow Rich, I always mention neuroscience. I mean, literally, other than updating it, bringing in modern women, examples, cases, other races, nationalities, the most significant thing was incorporating the advances that have been made in science and technology, especially since the mid-'80s. For the past 25 years, we've learned more about how the brain works and also how to work it than we've discovered in the previous 50,000 years of what we call human existence. And why is neuroscience so important to this philosophy? Well, consider this. The human brain, reptile brain, middle brain, neocortex. The neocortex, first man-made, discovered Cro-Magnon man, didn't even have a frontally developed neocortex. That's the new brain. We come from the reptile brain, and there's a middle brain in between. We're talking about 5 million years. One survival, one more logic and thinking and planning ahead, capacities that did not exist in the reptile brain. The interchange between all those. It's important to learn how to operate your brain and interchange and make sure that you are facilitating your progress rather than frustrating your progress. A couple other facts. The brain has over 100 billion electrical cells in it. Every one of these cells is electrical. It's important. You're transmitting, you're receiving energy. Everybody knows this today. Wireless communication. When Napoleon Hill first wrote, was a really odd thing. The first guy who invented the radio said he could send radio waves without physical means of connection. They had him incarcerated in a loony bin. 100 billion. And each of those 100 billion cells has up to and makes connections with up to 10,000 other neural cells. The brain can't tell the difference between something that's imagined and something that really happens. When athletes go through training, electroencephalographs, whatever kind of machines they have, they can measure physical movement even though the body does not move. It's neuromuscular. And there's over 1 million kilometers of interconnecting fiber inside this little case called the skull that houses the brain. 100 billion plus cells, 10,000 plus connections one with another in the way they flow, and 1 million miles of interconnecting fiber. And you could ask me how neuroscience could be beneficial in discovering how to motivate yourself to turn energy, thought, into outside effect, matter, money. Hey, since you liked this secret so much, we've got a collection, 101 Success Secrets from the new thinkandgrowrich.com, waiting for you, yours free, to make your life and you better in every way. See you then.